First and foremost, a great motivational speech must be inspiring. It should be able to spark a sense of hope and excitement within the audience, encouraging them to believe in themselves and their abilities. The speech should also be relatable, meaning that it should connect with the audience on a personal level. This can be achieved by sharing personal experiences and anecdotes, or by speaking to the specific needs and aspirations of the audience. A motivational speech should also be actionable. This means that it should provide specific, achievable steps that the audience can take to reach their goals. These steps should be realistic and achievable, and should be presented in a way that is easy for the audience to understand and follow. In addition to these key elements, a great motivational speech should be well structured. This means that it should have a clear introduction, body, and conclusion, with logical transitions between each section. The introduction should grab the audience's attention and set the stage for the rest of the speech. The body should provide the main content of the speech, including specific examples and actionable steps. The conclusion should summarize the main points of the speech and provide a call to action for the audience. Another important aspect of a great motivational speech is the speaker's ability to tell stories and share personal experiences. This can help to make the speech more relatable and memorable for the audience. A good motivational speaker should also be able to use humor and positive language to create an uplifting and energizing atmosphere. Of course, no motivational speech is complete without a dynamic speaker who can connect with the audience. The best motivational speakers are those who are able to engage their audience, build a rapport with them, and inspire them to take action. They should be able to speak with authority and passion, and should be able to convey their message in a way that is easy for the audience to understand and relate to. As we look ahead to 2023, there are many challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. From personal goals to professional aspirations, there is no shortage of things to strive for. A great motivational speech can be just the thing to help us overcome these challenges and achieve our goals. By being inspiring, relatable, actionable, well-structured, and delivered by a dynamic speaker, a motivational speech can help to give us the push we need to make the changes we need to succeed. In conclusion, the best motivational speech in 2023 would be one that inspires hope and excitement, connects with the audience on a personal level, provides specific, achievable steps for success, and is delivered by a dynamic speaker who can engage and inspire the audience. With the right words and the right person, a motivational speech can help us to achieve our goals and make the most of the new year ahead. One of the key elements of a successful motivational speech is the ability of the speaker to tell stories and share personal experiences. This helps to make the speech more relatable and memorable for the audience. A good motivational speaker should also be able to use humor and positive language to create an uplifting and energizing atmosphere. Another important aspect of a great motivational speech is the speaker's credibility and experience. An audience is more likely to be motivated by a speaker who has achieved success in their own field, and who can provide real-life examples of how they overcame challenges to reach their goals. In 2023, we could expect to see motivational speeches that will be tailored to the current situation, taking into account the challenges and opportunities of the current time. For example, motivational speeches that focus on resilience, adaptability, and mental health would be highly relevant in the current context. Moreover, a great motivational speech should also be inclusive and diverse, considering the audience's background, culture, and experiences. It's important to create a safe and comfortable environment for all members of the audience, where they can feel heard and understood. In addition, technology would play a major role in motivational speeches of 2023, as virtual and online events become more common. Speakers will have to adapt to the virtual format, using visuals, videos, and other interactive elements to engage the audience. Finally, the best motivational speech of 2023 will likely be one that resonates with the audience, speaks to their specific needs, and provides them with the inspiration and tools they need to take action. It should be delivered by a dynamic and credible speaker who can connect with the audience on a personal level and leave them feeling motivated, energized, and ready to take on the world.